Everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at some parts, well, parts, accessories, whatever you want to call it, that I got from Century Arms. If you guys remember, a while back, I was able to get my hands on a IWI Jericho, or it might be IMI. I think it was IWI. No, IMI. I can't remember. Anyway, I got a 941 FS as well as a 941F. And if you guys remember those videos, I only got one magazine with each of those. So I was digging around on Century Arms' website, and I noticed that they had their CZ-75 mags on sale. In particular, they had the fair graded CZ-75 15 round mags for $14.95 a piece, and then they had the good condition ones for $19.95 a piece. So I picked up two of each of those just to do a comparison to see, what kind of condition they consider fair and what they consider good. I also picked up an additional Walther PP mag. If you guys remember my video where I unboxed that Walther PP from Centerfire Systems, beautiful pistol, beautiful mag, everything. Unfortunately, it only came with one mag, so I was like, well, I like to have at least two for whatever pistol I have. And then I also noticed that at the time they had some Hogue overmolded. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you the price of that mag. That mag was $89.95. Of course, it was original. Now they also had some Hogue overmolded AR-15 grips. Smoking deal on those. Those were only $5.95 a piece. Ordinarily, those will cost you about $20 to $25. Of course, I also picked up some Hugo SKS safety lever springs as well as the cleaning kit spring that goes down in the buttstock, because I noticed those were they appear to be missing from my SKSs that I got in that Hunter's Lodge unboxing. So basically, those CZ-75 mags will look like this. At least they should. This is the one that came out of my 941 FS. Gorgeous shaped mag. Absolutely no markings on it whatsoever. I'm assuming this is a CZ-75 mag because I know they were cloned from them. So anyway, without further ado, we're going to dig into this. We're going to see what we got. See our comparison. Hopefully fair graded CZ-75 mags are much better than fair. Or maybe much fairer than fair. I don't know. But this is why I do this, so you guys can have an idea of what you can expect. Because there's nothing worse than making an uninformed decision. Looks like it is all kind of crammed in here. So what I didn't tell you guys is I bought 8 of these Hogue overmolded rubber grips. I actually picked up a couple for one of my buddies because these are the original style before they started putting a weird tab right here on the front, and the grip texture goes all the way up. So I really like these mags. Quite possibly one of the grips. This is possibly the best feeling grip I've ever had for an AR. I mean, I love them, and for $6, I mean, crap, you can't beat that. So let's scoot those to the side since we took a look at those. All right, so nothing fancy, nothing special, nothing really write home about. Just really nice cleaning kit pocket springs for the SKS, as well as safety lever springs, brand new, still covered in oil. Nothing wrong there. Let's check out this Walther PP mag. I don't expect it to be perfect, so I just wanted an original. If I have to re-blue it, so be it. And honestly, there is bluing, realistically, there's bluing gone right here, but it doesn't look really bad. I mean, from a mechanical standpoint, of course, you see that nice Walther banner logo, PP 7.65 millimeter. That is a 32 ACP. Just a vintage mag. That's all I was after. I just wanted an extra vintage mag to go with my Walther PP. I didn't want an aftermarket. I didn't care if it had the finger groove or not, or the pinky grip extension. There's nothing busted there. It's got some dings and scratches and stuff, but, you know, I think this will be just fine. However, make sure this thing actually moves like it's supposed to. Okay, yeah, we're good. But anyway, there's that little Walther PP magazine, which that was the most expensive thing out of this whole purchase, unfortunately. Alright, so we've got, so I'm guessing these are the good and these are the fair. I think it's kind of weird how my bag was cut open. Don't understand that one. Yeah, these must be the fair condition ones. They look perfectly fine. I mean, that one's got a little bit of a chunk out of the follower. Could probably stand to use a good cleaning. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not showing it in the camera very good. I'm sorry, guys. You know, obviously somewhere, like I was saying, you can see a little bit of a chunk missing right here on the front of that follower, but I don't think it's going to affect it. They look good. Of course, these are those 15 round mags, in case you're wondering, YouTube. Those are the ones that were 15 bucks a piece. Let's check out the ones that were $20 a piece. Yeah, so it's got G-F, so I'm guessing these are the good ones. I don't know. These considerably less finish wear. That one's got a weird base plate. Never seen a base plate like that. Actually, that base plate has been broken off. Well, that's unfortunate. I'm likely going to be calling Century Arms about that one, because that base plate is completely broken off. That is not how that should have been, and I do not consider that to be good condition. So, we're going to be contacting Century Arms about that one. That's rather aggravating. This one looks like it has just some kind of foamy pad that was glued onto it at some time. No issues with getting that off. I'm really not concerned about that. Actually, it's just barely kind of stuck on it. Oh, that's nasty. That's a mess. But at least the base plate on this one looks good. I'm really not happy though about how that base plate is completely broken off. I don't know how. Now, granted, the mag does look in good condition, but that does not make it in good condition. So I will be contacting Century Arms about that one and asking them what's up with that. That's the first time this has actually happened. I didn't expect that. You know, all the stuff I've got from them in the past, I've never really had any issues with, but that is rather annoying. The mag looks great, but that base plate is literally snapped right off. I got a serious problem with that. I don't know how they did that. Anyway, I'm going to contact them about this one. I'll let you guys know how I'll make out on that. But, you know, when you compare it to the original one that came in with my 941FS, these are the exact same mags. Actually, mine's an ambidextrous, and this one isn't. That one isn't. None of these are. Just this one is. Huh. Interesting. But you know, it's the same mag for sure. But anyway, there you have it. Those are the fair condition, good condition, original condition, maybe not so nice, and everything else that I got. Like I said, I'm going to be contacting Century Arms about that one, because they should not have shipped a magazine that they state is in good condition with the front of the base pad just broken off. I'm a bit aggravated about that, but anyway, I'll let you guys know how I make out on that. As always, thanks to everybody for all my subscribers, I guess, everyone that likes, comments, and shares. I mean, it's a constant uphill battle fighting the algorithm and fighting censorship, which does occur, unfortunately, especially for channels like mine. So I appreciate you guys. I just want to say that, and I appreciate you guys just tuning in, taking the time to, share in this hobby of mine. So once again, as always, thank you guys, and until next time, you guys have a great day.